What's up all, today's going to be an unboxing from Godox. This is the Cube SC. This is the 2 microphone kit. It's ultra light and small. We're going to do a quick unboxing of it. On the back it says it can works with Find My iPhone, Apple's Find My iPhone. So compatible with that, but this is USB-C, so it's probably only going to fit with the like an Android device. So just quickly open it up. Take a look at what's inside. Alright, so alright, look at that. Comes this nice little pouch right here. Hard case. Ooh, let's see. Right here you have the mounts for your neck. They're magnet. One for each. This is USB-C charging cable. And then you have this little flap that protects it. Here is the device itself. Ultra light and small. Oops. There we go. Pushes in, pops out, and you get the device. It doesn't pull all the way out. So, alright. You have two little of these wind muffers. These are like the dead cats. And then you have a SIM ejection tool. I'm not sure what this one's for. You have these clips as well, magnet clips. So you can tell by its magnet because it probably magnetizes on the back somewhere. See, maybe you need to clip it to a shirt or something. And then let's just take a look at these little stuff. You got little stickers. You can place the stickers on the microphone itself. So let's take out one microphone. This right here is USB-C charging, and it got little 4 bars. Right now it's 3 bars charged. So this right here goes on the bottom. Right here, let's see, this one goes on the bottom of the phone. There it says infinity is mute. I'm not sure what that is. Let me turn on. I think it turns on right away. So let me plug this in right there, and then take this out. So this is the magnet right here. It comes like this. Oh, it turns on right away when you unplug this. So right here you can use this to magnetize to your shirt or something. So let's say oh, I think the SIM ejection tool is too popular for a SIM card, but what's this? Oh, this is the on button. So let me turn it on right here, hold it down. Right there. Let's see if it's connected. It's connected to the right one. And I don't have audio levels on this. I wish there was some way to check the audio levels. But this is the charging 3-pin port. Here's the microphone itself right here at the top. So the only way to tell is to connect it and test the audio quality. So you can, oops, take this magnet off, connect it back here to your shirt. So let's just say this is, I'll just take a look at the instructions first. Oops. Long press for 2 seconds to turn on and off. Double press within 30 seconds after power on to pair. It's already paired already. Short press once to turn on and off. Denoise function. In pair status, double press to take a picture or record when the smartphone camera is turned on. Oh, double press. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's see. So if I had this on right here, let's say in photo mode right here, if I double press it, will it hit the record button? Oh, it does. Oh, look at that. I'll show you guys. So right now it's recording. Double press this. It'll stop it. That's kind of cool. Cool function to as paired to the phone. So right now I'm going to delete that real quick. I don't need that. But that's kind of cool. Okay, see. insert into smartphone, it will boot automatically. Double press to pair. Short press wants to turn on and off the denoise function. Okay, so the buttons on the bottom is the denoise, using software to take out certain noises. Press to make sure to remove from Apple ID, refer to instruction below, and restore the charging case to factory settings before returning the product. So you can link this to the Find My iPhone thing, but you can link it to your product, so in case you lose this, you can find it. Add items. So yeah, that's what this is. So yeah, that's that. And let's see instructions on this right here. Chinese. There's the English section. All right. Okay. Main features. It's a universal 2.4 wireless transmission gigahertz. It has a distance rating of up to 300 meters, sight distance. Clear and stable quality sound with denoise function. Ultra compact size, plug and play. Built-in lithium battery transmitter provides up to 10 hours of long working time. Shooting working through remote control after successfully paired. Alright, let's see. Built-in microphone indicator. USB-C port. Okay, receiver. What's the rest of the stuff? Let's see. App downloading. Alright, this is the microphone app. So I need to get the app real quick. So I'm going to Google download. Install this app. So look at it once I install it. Let's see. Technical data. This is good. Let's see. 2.4 gigahertz, omnidirectional, frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, max SPL is 115 decibels, dynamic range is 86 decibels, charging time 1.5 hours, working time 10 hours. That's it. All right, great. Let's open this up. Okay, we have allow Godox to access. Yep. While using that. All right. Oh, there we go. There's my sound meter. I'm gonna bring it up to my mouth. Hello, hello. Sound test. Sound test. All right. If I'm talking really loud, I should bring this down. Hello, hello. Talking really loud. Then bring it down. Hello, hello. So now I'm getting sick. Now 4 is actually pretty good. Won't peak too hard. And then so this 84% charge. Denoise, close, weak, strong. Amplifier on. All right, this is some cool stuff. So this is actually great too. Let me see if we take out the other one. Also turn this on. Press the button. Where's the button? There it is. Oh, there we go. How do you check which one's which? Hello, sound. Oh, is it only like works with both of them? Huh. Yeah. So what sucks about the app is that it controls both at the same time, so it's not individually controlled. Like you can't change this level to be level 1 and that level to be level 4. So it has to be like both at the same time. Since it pairs. And the denoise works on both at the same time. So right now, 87%, 84%. But how would you tell which one's which? It does not say TX1. It does not. Alright. And then this right here, I need to take this little sticker off. Alright, so how do you put on this thing? So this is where the microphone is right here. You can see the little kind of like a speaker. Put that on, pop it in. So like that. And you can still access the buttons. They still have a button right here. Denoise on. Oh, close. Strong. Oh, strong indicated by orange. And close. So the denoise can change based on the button you press. So you either press it, maybe strong denoise or close denoise, or close the denoise. And then of course it has the magnet. So you take these little stickers off the back of it, which you don't need. And then pop it on, and you have magnetized. So let's see. This part right here is from this one. So if I want to wear it, I'll put it on. Oh, twisty tie. So you put it on your neck. And then take up this sticker right here and this one too. Pop it on. You're good to go. So let's say this is your shirt right here. Put this around your neck, back around your neck. Drop it in. Holds it pretty well in place. Just like this. You can also use this thing. Pop it on. Holds it in place. Just like that. And then we have the one last thing on here. You add stickers to customize it for the look right here. You put this on, these stickers on the front of this. You can change to any of these. Place on this as a look if you wanted. And then right here we have a clip as well. So this clip pops it on. You can clip it on to your shirt. So you clip it on your shirt first. Oh, comes with that's the other magnet first. So clip it on your shirt. Pop it on. Very lightweight. So great for recording with your phone, which I'm doing now. So comes a lot of extra accessories. So clip it on, drop it on. Yeah, that's it to this little video mess. Right there, Godox. Very lightweight. And once you unplug it, it disconnects from the app. So this one charges it from the back of it. There's USB-C charging right here. I think it has wireless charging. It might have. I wonder. Not sure if this has wireless charging. So I don't think I saw it, but because there is a USB-C port, I think it powers it up through the phone. So you have to have it plugged in somewhere. So if you have it in your camera, it'll be plugged in through there, but it's built around phones. I wonder if you can actually use it on your DSLR or mirrorless camera if they have a USB-C port, if you can plug it inside. So I have an A74. I'm not sure if that works, but I'm not sure if this charges it. It doesn't really have an indicator. So let me go grab a charger real quick. I have a big charging brick. Let me see if this plugs it in and charge it. There's no, oh, it doesn't turn on. Wonder there's not connection, but probably not. So it has to be plugged into a phone. So let's grab out this cable, plug this in right here, plug this at the end. There's an indicator light. There it is. There's no indicator light that shows it's charging. Which kind of hard to figure out how long this is, because I feel like this only powers if it's plugged in. So does it work transmitting to something? We'll look at the instructions real quick. charging. See. The transmitter can be charged after connecting to power source through magnetic charging cable, while the receiver supports the use and charge the smartphone through USB-A to USB-C cable at the same time. You can plug it in and use it. Put the device in, charging through charging case. I guess it does have magnetic charging. Oh, okay, so it does have magnetic charging. Okay, so you can charge it if you need to plug it in to your phone. And it powers this, but you can still plug it in to charge. But this also charges this because this probably has magnetic charging. So when you have it, but you can, oh, I see. It only charges when it's plugged in side this thing, because I believe there's some pins here as a go to this source. But this is the battery pack, so it should charge right inside without having it plugged in. So I'm not sure. I will cut out my DSLR. Found out that it does not work with it plugged in to the USB-C port because it's only out power, and so it doesn't turn on, doesn't pair right away. So, but when you plug it into your phone, of course, it connects right away. So, see, it blinks on, turns on. That's the reason why you could use only this with this device. So. Of course, double clicking it makes it record mode. So there we go. Double clicking turns on record. I record, and double clicking turns off the record. Clicking it once switches to the other mode. Not the amplify mode. I forget the name of it. It's called the denoise mode. Too strong, so click it once. Goes to close, and then click it again. I'll hit the strong. That's the denoise mode on the microphone. So there you have it. That's the rest of it. Alright, so I'm currently mic'd up on my shirt, and I have the mic audio plugged into the phone, and here is the device. I'm gonna leave my phone here. I'm gonna walk away from it. This is about 5 feet. I'm turn off the sound over there. This is about 10 feet away, so you can see the audio signal to see how clear it is, just so that you'll know how it sounds. So I'm about 20 feet away right now, and I'm walking around the room so you can hear me talk while I'm walking. So testing the sound, see how well it works. I'm gonna walk back, and then, you know, if it sounds pretty good, you tell me. This is the audio quality of this Godox microphone in this test.